Managed Network Systems Inc. MNSi full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are provided in the description below. Managed Network Systems Inc. MNSi is a prominent provider of managed IT services, network solutions, and high-performance internet connectivity. They specialize in offering businesses reliable and secure managed network infrastructure designed to optimize IT operations and ensure seamless connectivity. MNSi provides a broad range of services including data center hosting, cloud solutions, network monitoring, and custom IT solutions tailored to meet the needs of small to mid-sized businesses, as well as larger enterprises in specific industries such as healthcare, education, and finance. One of MNSi's key strengths is its comprehensive service portfolio. Their network monitoring and management services ensure businesses can rely on continuous uptime, which is crucial for maintaining operations without disruption. Additionally, MNSi offers robust security features, including managed firewalls, intrusion detection, and advanced threat protection, keeping client data and systems secure against modern cyber threats. The company's data center services provide businesses with scalable, secure hosting environments with high availability and disaster recovery solutions that give clients peace of mind. MNSi is also known for its exceptional customer support. They offer around-the-clock technical assistance and proactive support, ensuring any network issues are quickly identified and resolved. This is particularly important for businesses that depend on uninterrupted connectivity and reliable IT performance. MNSi's tailored solutions ensure clients get the right services for their specific needs, whether they're scaling operations or optimizing existing network infrastructure. However, MNSi does have a few weaknesses to consider. Their services are more oriented toward medium to large businesses, so smaller organizations might find their offerings a bit over-engineered or cost-prohibitive for their needs. Additionally, some clients have reported that MNSi's setup process can be complex, and initial implementation may require significant time and technical expertise. In conclusion, Managed Network Systems Inc. MNSi offers a reliable, secure, and comprehensive suite of IT solutions for businesses of all sizes. Their network management, hosting, and security services are particularly well suited for businesses that require high-performance, secure, and scalable IT infrastructure. However, the complexity and pricing might not be ideal for very small businesses or those with limited IT resources.